Here's a great way of drawing a spooky picture. Draw half a spooky picture. Now, the idea is to draw a picture of a monster or ghost or anything gruesome onto a piece of black paper. And here the picture is. Now, I know you can't see anything. That's because I've drawn it in dark pencil. But if you keep looking at it, you might just be able to pick out some of the lines. But OK, what's the use of a picture you can't see? Well, that's where this stuff comes in. Moonlight. Now, the idea is to just redraw half the picture in white crayon or chalk, but just draw the bits of the outline of your picture that face the moon. So, OK, here we go. Now, I'm going to start here and begin by drawing in the shape of a head. I'm just going to pick out the edge of the body as well. And you can even smudge the lines just to hint at the shapes on your picture. See that? And this technique works really well on spooky pictures. And this scary character is going to have a claw-like hand, so pick out the claws in the moonlight. Just around the edges like that. And of course, like all spooky pictures, there's a haunted house in the distance. Just make sure you pick out the edge facing the moon each time. And even though you're only drawing half of the lines, you can see that the picture is starting to take shape. Don't forget to hint at the background as well. And like all spooky pictures, there's a damsel in distress. Using your chalk, just pick out the image of her cowering like that. And if you just draw half a picture, you get this really atmospheric spooky effect. And finally, just smudge the moon and add on some spooky bats as a finishing touch. It almost looks like a horror movie, doesn't it? Spooky. Try it yourself. Use a white crayon or chalk to pick out the edges of a monster that faces the moonlight and create a spooky picture. Well, half a spooky picture.